How to charge your electric vehicle on a 75 kilowatt or 175 kilowatt Osprey charging point. To start a charge using contactless or an RFID card, select the right connector for your vehicle from the options on screen. If using the app, find your location, choose connection type and select your charge point. You can find the charge point number on the charge point. Select and authenticate your payment method by holding the card to the reader. Please note that these charge points have a pre-authorization fee of £30. This is a funds check and will not actually be taken from your account. Once payment has been authorized, take your connector and plug it into your vehicle's DC charging port. After a few moments, your vehicle will begin charging. If using the app, you'll need to select Start Charging on your phone to initiate the charge. To end your charge, press the unlock button before tapping your card and pressing stop, or press Stop Charging in the Osprey app. Unplug the cable from your vehicle and place it back in the charge point. You're now ready to get back on the road. Safe travels from us at Osprey.